Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your 1099 forms on Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have started to use Gusto, but if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get a free $100 gift card mailed to you. Now, in order to find your 1099 form, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Gusto account. Next, you're going to click on Reports, which is on the left-hand side. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says 1099 tax forms and then click on View Report. Now, once you do that, you'll see that there's no 1099 forms just yet, but this is where your 1099 tax forms will actually be. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your 1099 tax forms on Gusto Payroll. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up in order to get a $100 gift card when you do run your first payroll. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.